Welcome to this episode of UnboxID. I'm your host, Astley Ng, aka The Designer. This series is where we dive deep into the renovation products and give you the lowdown on what makes them stand out. In this episode, we're talking about the timeless charm of vinyl flooring. And our spotlight is on a new, exciting, and exceptional brand called Wood Origins. Ready to explore? Let's get started. First off, let's talk about this gorgeous, high-end looking showroom. It's like a gallery. Homeowners or designers can browse, see the beautiful showcase, and touch the textures to get a sense of what the product feels like. Wood Origins believes in sustainability too. When you choose vinyl flooring, it is actually more resilient than real wood flooring. This ultimately means that there is less maintenance in the long run. Unlike natural wood, vinyl does not fade its colors, does not dent easily, and it does not scratch easily. In short, you get the beauty of wood minus the common issues associated with natural wood flooring. You may be asking, what's the difference that Wood Origins offers versus the other vinyl flooring out there? Besides the standard marketing promises of a blend of robust durability and aesthetic appeal, I'm truly impressed with the range of colors and realism in the vinyl flooring. You can see that the planks are well sized as well. Their hybrid textures are realistic. This means for the untrained eyes, you can't tell that it's actually a sustainable synthetic material. The textures mimics natural wood grain effortlessly thanks to the advanced printing technology. The matte finish reduces glare, giving a more authentic wooden look. These planks are incredibly flexible, making them easy to install over uneven surfaces. And speaking of installation, Wood Origins has a simple click lock system for hassle-free DIY setups. Check this out. The click lock system allows you to snap the planks together seamlessly. No glue or nails needed. So how secure is this clip lock? Come, let's try it with some water. And what about durability? It's top-notch. We've conducted several tests, from dropping objects to dragging furniture and even spilling water. Not a single dent, not a single scratch, and not even a single stain is in sight. This stuff is built to last. So does Wood Origins live up to its promise? Absolutely. Combining durability, aesthetic appeal, and easy installation. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their flooring. If you're interested in learning more, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching this episode of UnboxID. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. You got a product you want us to unbox? Leave a suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, happy renovating.